Hi mga Bosch, si Jay Torres po ito. Welcome back to Would You Like to Make? Kumusta po kayong lahat? At kumusta din ang inyong experience sa 12.12 sale ng Bosch? Did you snag any great deals during Bosch's epic 12.12 sale? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. At kung ako naman ang inyong tatanungin, I'm thrilled to share what I picked up. Today, we're unboxing not one, not two, but three amazing Bosch items. First up, we have the Bosch UniversalAquatak 125 high pressure washer, a must-have for effortless cleaning. Next, we'll check out the Bosch GSB 13RE impact drill, a powerful tool for all your drilling needs. And finally, the Bosch GMS 12.12 Multi-Detector, perfect for precision work in detecting hidden objects. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these boxes to explore what's inside. Let's get started and see what makes this tool truly Bosch worthy. Alright, let's start with the Bosch UniversalAquatak 125 high pressure washer. Just looking at the box, you can already tell this is a compact yet powerful cleaning machine, perfect for tackling tough dirt and grime. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, let's move on to the Bosch GSB 13RE impact drill. This package comes in a durable plastic carrying case, which keeps all your tools neatly organized. Let's open it up and take a closer look at what's inside. Last but not least, we have the Bosch GMS 12.12 Multi-Detector. This handy device is a must-have for anyone working on walls, ceilings, or floors. It helps you detect hidden objects like metal, wood, and even live wires. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now that we've unboxed the UniversalAquatak 125 high pressure washer, the GSB 13RE impact drill, and the GMS 12.12 multi-detector, join me as we put them to the test and see just how powerful and useful they really are. Let's start the test with the UniversalAquatak 125 high pressure washer. Using the UniversalAquatak 125 high-pressure washer to clean the outdoor unit of my split-type air conditioner has been a game changer. Its powerful spray effortlessly removes dirt and debris, ensuring optimal performance of the aircon. The compact design and ease of use make the task quick and efficient. This is what it means to be #like a Bosch, working smarter, not harder, with innovative tools that deliver professional quality results every time. After cleaning the aircon's outdoor unit, I tackled the moss and grease-covered pavement. Its powerful jet stream cut through the grime effortlessly, restoring the pavement's clean, slip-free surface in no time. And again, this is what it means to clean #like a Bosch, using innovative tools that deliver professional results with precision and efficiency no matter the challenge. Now, it's time to test the Bosch GSB 13RE impact drill on this concrete wall. As I drill, you can immediately feel the power and precision, effortlessly cutting through the tough surface. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to handle even during heavy-duty tasks. This is working #like a Bosch, using tools that combine strength, efficiency, and reliability to tackle any job with ease. In this section of the wall, you can see a wall outlet with its electrical wires running upward toward the ceiling. Now, let's put the Bosch GMS 120/27 multi-detector to the test and see if it can detect the wiring. And there it is! The GMS 120/27 accurately identifies the wire line. This tool is a game changer for anyone planning to drill into walls. Whether you're checking for power lines or rebars, this multi-detector ensures your work is safe and precise, giving you the confidence to proceed without any surprises. Truly, this is working #like a Bosch. Now, you've seen the impressive power and performance of the UniversalAquatak 125 high-pressure washer, the strength and versatility of the GSB 13RE impact drill, and the remarkable precision and accuracy of the GMS 120/27 multi-detector. Tis the season to build #like a Bosch. These tools are the perfect companions for your projects, combining innovation and efficiency to get the job done right. That's all I have for you today, but stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where I'll dive deeper into each of these tools with more detailed reviews. Unlock a world of innovation and efficiency this 12.12 with Bosch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.